Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trick scooters is probably one of the most exciting ways for teens to express themselves and enjoy the outdoors. These scooters aren't just for fun, they're a fantastic way to develop coordination, balance, and build confidence. Whether your teen is a beginner or an aspiring pro, finding the right trick scooter can open up a world of possibilities and thrilling experiences, so let's dive into the best options available. Number 5. Hurtle Renegade 2-wheel folding scooter. This scooter features a lightweight alloy deck, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It can support riders up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for ages 8 and up. The extended standing area improves performance. The scooter's folding mechanism and foldable handles make storage and transport a breeze. It also includes a carrying strap for easy portability. This design saves space when not in use. Equipped with durable wheels, this scooter ensures smooth rides even on uneven surfaces. The mudguard on the front wheel and the non-slip deck provide added stability and safety. It's designed for a comfortable ride. With its advanced design, this scooter offers effortless control and smooth steering. The PU rear wheel foot brake with reflection ensures safe and smooth stops. You can easily navigate in any direction. The T-bar handlebar is adjustable to 3 different heights, 33, 36.2, and 39 inches. It also features a durable anodized clamp collar for added strength. This allows it to grow with the rider. What we like. This scooter folds up for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for those with limited space or who need to carry it around. It also has an adjustable handlebar, so it can grow with you. If you are looking for a convenient and adaptable scooter, this is a great choice. What people say. So well made. Light. Easy to use. Great quality. My son loves it. It's the real deal. It's built to last and the price doesn't reflect on its durability. This scooter is a must-buy. The design is sleek, the big 200mm wheels provide an incredibly smooth ride, and the adjustable handlebar makes it perfect for both kids and adults. Number 4. SereneLife 2-wheel folding kick scooter. This scooter features a durable alloy deck, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It can support riders up to 220 pounds, making it suitable for ages 7 and up. The scooter has a space-saving folding mechanism, along with foldable handles for easy storage and transport. It also comes with a carrying strap, making it very portable. This 2-wheel scooter has durable 8-inch wheels with ABC 7 bearings, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. It also includes a mudguard, non-slip deck, and rear flashing light for safety. With its advanced design, this scooter offers effortless control, allowing you to steer smoothly in any direction. The PU rear wheel foot brake with reflection ensures safe stops. The scooter's T-bar handlebar is adjustable to 3 different heights, 33.8, 35.4, and 37.8 inches. It also features a durable anodized clamp collar for added strength. What we like. This scooter features high-quality ABC 7 bearings, ensuring a super smooth ride. It also has a durable alloy deck and a folding design for convenience. If you value a smooth and comfortable ride, especially on various surfaces, this scooter is ideal for you. What people say. Nice and sturdy. We have 2 to 6-year-olds riding it and wasn't too tall for them and all. Pretty smooth and functional. Easy to fold and unfold. I like it. Very soiled made and very smooth riding. Number 3. Limit LMT01 V2 Pro Scooter, durable, safe, and fun. Limit scooters are created by a Chinese manufacturer specializing in pro stunt scooters. These scooters are trusted and improved over time, ensuring safety, durability, and comfort for every rider. They are tested by riders worldwide. This complete pro trick scooter weighs only 3.5 kilograms. The deck is made from aircraft-grade aluminum with T6 heat treatment for strength and safety. The deck has been upgraded to provide more space for standing. The scooter features 115 by 26 mm wheels equipped with high-precision ABC 9 bearings and 88A high-return PU. The PU with holes design not only looks great but also increases grip and reduces weight. The high modulus alloy handlebar is as light as aluminum but almost 50% stronger. You would usually find this kind of bar on high-end custom scooters. It's the ideal size for adults and teens 10+. The Pro scooter is easy and fast to install, with 98% of the parts already assembled. You can assemble it in minutes without any complicated steps. Just insert the handlebar and tighten the screws, and your ride begins. Limit Scooter offers a 6-month warranty on the main components. Any questions about usage or quality problems will be addressed within 24 hours. It's designed to provide you with a great experience. What we like. This scooter is designed for intermediate and professional riders, with a high modulus alloy handlebar that is both light and strong. It is built with safety and durability in mind, perfect for performing tricks. If you're looking to take your scooter game to the next level, this is the one for you. What people say. I'm 6'4" and 190 pounds, I've taken this thing off some massive jumps and it's held up. Owned for over a year now. We have owned this a couple months and it's holding up great. Perfect for 10-year-olds, comes with a stand so it's not always being tripped over in the garage. Great for skate park tricks too. Easy to put together. Colors are really cool. My kid rides it all the time. Number 2. SereneLife SLTS 98 Kick Scooter, lightweight and foldable. Introducing the SereneLife SLTS 98 Kick Scooter. It's lightweight and easy to fold, making it perfect for teens and adults on the go. This scooter is designed for comfort and convenience. The scooter features an adjustable T-bar handlebar. You can customize the height to fit your needs, ensuring a comfortable riding experience. It's designed to provide optimal control. The SLTS 98 has a durable alloy deck. This provides a stable base for riders of all sizes. It's built to withstand daily use. Equipped with high-impact wheels, this scooter offers a smooth ride. The wheels are designed to absorb bumps and provide excellent grip. It ensures a safe and enjoyable ride. The scooter uses durable ABC-7 bearings. These bearings contribute to a fast and efficient ride. They also require minimal maintenance. Please note that the speed and range of this scooter can vary. Factors like rider weight and terrain can affect its performance. Enjoy your ride. What we like. This scooter is lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry and store. It also features a comfortable T-bar handlebar and durable ABC-7 bearings for a smooth ride. If you are looking for a scooter that is easy to transport and provides a comfortable riding experience, this is a great option. What people say. It's very heavy-duty and made well. No real assembly, everything is straightforward. Number 1. RideVOLO Pro Stunt Scooter. This scooter is perfect for riders aged 8 and up, including teens and adults. It's built with a durable aluminum alloy deck and high-tensile steel bars, making it ideal for both beginners and pros. It can handle up to 176 pounds. The scooter features a robust compression system to absorb impacts. The soft rubber grips provide comfort, and the V-bars rotate 360 degrees for tricks. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the skate park. Equipped with high-quality ABC-9 bearings, this scooter offers a smooth and silent ride. The durable 65mm steel footbrake ensures safe and reliable stopping power. It's all about a fun and safe experience. The scooter's pro-style design fits right in at the skate park. The cool graphics and vibrant colors make it uniquely yours. You'll definitely turn heads as you perform tricks. The scooter is ready for any action. The high rebound wheels and HIC compression system make it easy to do freestyle tricks. It's the perfect choice to start your stunt scooter journey. What we like. This scooter is designed for pro-style riding, with high-quality ABC-9 bearings for a smooth ride and a durable footbrake for safety. It also features a cool design that will make you stand out at the skate park. If you like performing tricks and want to make a statement, you should consider this. What people say. The handlebars are made perfect and connect into the bottom by not just 2 screws but 4 to keep it from coming loose like the other types of scooters do. Sealed bearings increase rolling speed and smoothness. Frame very tight and ridged for durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.